Well, here we are again. The Kangaroo Court has just finished its deliberations and delivered its verdict. Why do I say Kangaroo Court? Okay, for those of you who have been following Law and Order from time to time, how many instances have you seen where the court has tried somebody and the defendant just doesn't seem to be there? And how many times have you seen Law and Order where the foreman of the jury, Mitch McConnell in this case, frequently had contact with and dealt with the White House, the defendant, and thereby planned their strategies? Or when the jurors themselves, during the election process, selection process, were blatant in their full intention to acquit and distinguish themselves by waltzing out of the jury box, going get a beer, or come back and open a book or do crossword puzzles, whatever suited them, while the prosecutor was, quote, presenting his case. And in this prosecution, the McCoy characters were not allowed to bring in new witnesses with new evidence, nor were they allowed to bring in any witnesses. And from that standpoint, not allowed to bring in documents, Exhibit A, Exhibit B, or new documents that might be unfurled. No, they couldn't do any of that. McCoy, he'd have been home on his motorcycle in a New York minute. What a waste of our government's money was the Kangaroo Court. And naturally, they acquitted. Now, I'm so delighted that they acquitted Donald Trump, because it put the nail in the coffin of their reelection, because they will have that Trumpian albatross around their neck come November. And that's when we get to do our impeachment trial. The most important thing is, folks, we have got to get out there and vote in November in herds and droves. Which brings us to the subject of this shirt. Okay, there it is. The Lion King shirt. Now, it's time for us to get psyched up for the election and get out and get these shirts, or whatever shirts, to replace the MAGA hats that so proliferated the country. Trump is making me crazy. So I got this t-shirt. To get your t-shirt, go to magnathings.myshopify.com. Thank you very much, and farewell.